John here, got a big update for you today, a humdinger update. I want to kind of share with you what's on my mind, what I'm thinking, what I'm doing. I've been doing a lot of reading and discovery here the last few weeks, and I'm reading the paper and watching the news to see where Europeans can no longer travel here. NBA basketball has suspended its season. Colleges around the country are sending their students home. Even some high schools are doing this. Tens of thousands of conventions being canceled and festivals. And I just have to really think this is going to affect our economy and our markets. And I really think until this virus is gone, it's going to get worse before it gets better. Could be wrong, but that's what I think. So what I'm doing is I'm taking all the stocks we own that you own, and I'm selling them and I'm putting them into something very, very secure. Now, that might be a bad move. The market tomorrow morning could just tear it up the next 6 months. I don't think that's the case. And I'm going to err on the side of caution first. So we're going to a money market account and then to a bond, which I'll share in another video what that's going to look like. Let's take a look at where we are today. I look at our accounts. Our growth accounts are down about half what the market's down. That's a good thing. Look over a 1 year period, and most all accounts are going to be getting out with a slight profit. That also is a very good thing. But what does this really mean to you? Think about what this really means. This means a tremendous opportunity. And it tickles me pink knowing that if we have a bad week next week, a bad month next month, you'll know that your money's in a secure place. How does that feel? We're not just being safe to be safe, though. I do know we're going to have a parabolic return to the market. When this virus is gone, I think the steep decline we had is going to be met with a huge recovery that most people will not participate in. They're still scared and don't know what they're doing. But we know what we're doing. We're going to use fundamental and technical analysis to be there. And I think over the next 3 years, we'll have the best 3-year return ever in our company's history. So how do I really feel? I'll share with you how I really feel. I am titillated. You may not be aware of this, but when you hired me, my single purpose was to protect you and help you have a life you otherwise couldn't have. I can do it in these kind of markets easier than I can in the bull market. So I don't mean to sound giddy about it, but quite frankly, I think a 25 or 30% drop could be the best thing for us. We should be able to pick up some money in bonds. Buddy, when it comes back, we'll make hay. So I'm going to shoot you a video on our bond strategy probably tomorrow. And once a week, I'll be touching base with you with a video. Please watch these because it's really important you know. It's important you know before you go. It's important that I know before I go. And we both need to know where we're going. Take care.